A health advisor says a citywide lockdown should be considered only as a last resort. This came as more than 30 preliminary positive cases were found in 2 public housing buildings in Sham Shui Po. Macy Mock reports.
Residents of Begonia House in Soho Estate walk free after an overnight lockdown. They had to undergo tests after sewage from the Sham Shui Po building was found to contain the virus. 9 preliminary positive cases were detected after about 1,100 people were screened. Also in Sham Shui Po, almost 2,000 people from Unxing House in Unchou Estate were tested during an overnight lockdown. The exercise yielded 23 preliminary positive and 2 indeterminate cases.
封城咧係一個最後手段嚟㗎啦。
As COVID infections mounted, there are fears of a possible citywide lockdown. Government pandemic advisor David Hui said that should be considered as a last resort because of many challenges. People would have to be fed, and it would be difficult to ensure that no one sneaks out. Hui said more time is needed to observe whether the current social distancing measures are effective. If not, public transport might have to be covered in the vaccine pass scheme. Welfare Chief Law Chi Kwong told a radio show that between 3,000 and 4,000 elderly residents of nursing homes are waiting to get vaccinated. He urged private doctors to find time to give them jabs. Maisie Mock, HKIBC.
The government is uncertain whether a citywide lockdown is required to cut transmission chains.
We need to have some time to review the effectiveness of the current social distancing measures, and there are no a hard criteria to trigger any lockdown, but we have to consider a basket of factors before we decide a more drastic social distancing measures.